Welcome. If you're ready to give your Roblox experience a fresh new look and make those late-night gaming sessions easier on your eyes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Roblox Web for PC, following the latest update. The process is quick, simple, and you'll notice the difference right away. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head to roblox.com. Log into your Roblox account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all the important settings on Roblox. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your Roblox experience. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Account Info. This section holds all your personal details and customization options. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Theme option. It should be located just above the Social Network section. Click on the drop-down menu next to Theme. You'll see two options, Light and Dark. Select Dark, and the change should take effect immediately. Your Roblox interface will transform into a sleek, modern dark mode that's much easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. That's all there is to it. If you ever want to switch back to the original look, just follow these steps again and choose light instead. Enjoy your new dark theme and happy gaming on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and let us know in the comments how dark mode has improved your Roblox experience.